An enlarged prostate, also known as benign prostatic hyperplasia or BPH, is a common condition that affects many men as they age. While there are various medical treatments available, some people prefer natural remedies to manage their symptoms. Vitamins can play an important role in promoting prostate health, and there are several that have been shown to be particularly beneficial. In this article, we will discuss the top 6 vitamins for the natural treatment of an enlarged prostate. By incorporating these vitamins into your diet or taking supplements, you may be able to shrink your prostate and improve your overall prostate health without resorting to prescription medication, or surgery. What is enlargement of the prostate? The 6 most important vitamins for prostate shrinkage and growth. Prostate swelling, also known as BPH, is a common problem in men, especially those over 50. This condition can make it hard to urinate properly, cause men to have to go to the bathroom more often, and cause pain in the pelvis, belly, and area between the scrotum and anus. So what's going on here? As you can see in this picture, the prostate is a small gland that sits behind the pubic bone and below the bladder. The bladder is the organ that stores urine. The problem is that when the prostate starts to get bigger, swell up, or grow, it puts pressure on the tubes that connect your bladder to your urethra. Signs of prostate enlargement, which can make it hard to control your bladder even if you only have a small amount of urine. You might have a weak urine flow that might stop and start as you urinate, or you may find it hard to start urinating in the first place. If you have an enlarged prostate and don't do anything about it, if you don't get your swollen and enlarged prostate treated, it can lead to prostatitis, infections, and a higher chance of getting prostate cancer. Studies show that hormonal changes like a buildup of anabolic hormones like estrogen, insulin, or DHT cause the prostate to get bigger. In today's video, we'll talk about 6 vitamins that can help you get your swollen prostate back to its normal size and improve the flow of your urine. You'll also find out how to fix the problem by making simple changes to your life. I use the word vitamins in a wide sense to include phytonutrients, minerals, and herbs that you can use to naturally shrink your prostate. Just a quick reminder that this video is only meant to teach. So if you're worried about your health, talk to your doctor. Okay, the first one is 1. Zinc. Zinc is one of the most important minerals for reducing a swollen prostate and making sure that male hormones are in balance. Zinc stops certain enzymes, aromatase and reductase, from turning testosterone into estrogen or DHT. This fixes the chemical problem that's causing your prostate to grow and helps reduce inflammation, so the gland can start shrinking. If you want to, you can start taking 30 milligrams of zinc chelate or zinc bisglycinate every day as a supplement. You can also get zinc from whole foods like pumpkin seeds, oysters, crab meat, beef, organ meats, watermelon seeds, and sugar-free dark chocolate. Note, if you take a zinc supplement, make sure you also take copper as a part of mix of trace minerals, since too much zinc can make copper less effective. 2. Phytosterols are natural chemicals that are found in some plants. They have been shown to help a prostate that has gotten too big go back to its normal size and improve urine flow by stopping DHT. Scientists have also found that phytosterols help keep cholesterol from sticking to the walls of arteries, which lowers the risk of heart disease. Men also use phytosterols to stop male pattern baldness and hair loss, which are also caused by an increase in DHT or dihydrotestosterone. Pumpkin seeds, sesame oil, or macadamia nuts, green peas, and extra virgin olive oil are some of the best foods to get phytosterols from. You might want to eat this often, especially pumpkin seeds. You can also get this from saw palmetto, a product that is full of beta-sitosterol and is very good at shrinking the prostate. 3. Lycopene. Lycopene is an antioxidant that is found in all kinds of tomatoes. This is a red plant pigment called a carotenoid that helps keep cells in the body safe from damage caused by oxygen. Studies show that eating lycopene lowers PSA levels, makes the prostate smaller, and lowers the risk of prostate cancer by keeping testosterone levels in check. This is very helpful for older men whose testosterone levels drop with age, which makes estrogen level rise and the prostate grow. When you cook tomatoes, the lycopene becomes 4 times more bioavailable, which means that your body can receive it better. So, start eating home-cooked tomatoes often because they are a superfood for your prostate's health. You can also find lycopene in prostate health products that are made from a mix of plant chemicals, but it's easier to get it from food. As a side note, you can also get lycopene from basil, grapefruits, goji berries, and artichokes, though the amounts vary. 4. Green tea, EGCG. Regularly drinking green tea may be one of the easiest and simplest things you can do to help shrink your prostate. Matcha green tea is the best, and it has a lot of EGCG or epigallocatechin gallate, which is a catechin. This stops an enzyme, 5-alpha reductase, from turning your testosterone into DHT. If your problem is that your prostate is getting bigger, this will stop it from getting bigger. It has been shown that drinking 3 to 5 cups of coffee per day reduces inflammation in the prostate gland by a lot. This helps the gland heal and shrink back to its normal size. 5. Vitamin C is an important nutrient that we must get every day from plant-based foods like salad greens, veggies, berries, and fruits. The antioxidant network in your body gets stronger when you eat foods like cabbage, sauerkraut, strawberries, bell peppers, and cruciferous veg. This real vitamin C combination helps prevent or reduce oxidative damage to the prostate cells and lowers the risk of getting prostate cancer. It also helps control the production of cortisol, which is another hormone that can upset the balance of hormones and cause prostate problems. Make sure to stay away from ascorbic acid supplements that you can buy over the counter. These supplements only contain 5% of the real vitamin C complex. If you do decide to take a vitamin, try acerola cherry, rose hips, or camel powder. 6. Lauric acid. As was already said, high amounts of DHT in the body can cause the prostate to get bigger. Testosterone gets changed into THT, which can cause the gland tissue in the prostate to grow. This can make it hard to pass urine and raise the risk of prostate cancer. Lauric acid is a medium-chain fat that is found in coconut oil. It has been shown to stop the conversion of testosterone to DHT by a large amount and also to stop the prostate from getting bigger. I suggest cooking with raw unprocessed pure coconut oil instead of inflammatory vegetable oils that could be hurting the health of your prostate. In the next part of the video, we'll look at 6 ways to shrink an enlarged prostate. What causes a bigger prostate? First though, let's look at what may be causing your prostate to get bigger in the first place. 6 causes of prostate enlargement, or BPH. The first and most common cause of an enlarged prostate is eating too many refined foods like sugar, processed grains, and flour, which drain your zinc stores and raise your levels of DHT, insulin, or estrogen. By chance, being overweight can also cause the prostate to get bigger. This is because the more fat you have, the higher your levels of estrogen and insulin, which could be making the gland grow. As we get older, our stomach acids get weaker, which makes it harder for us to receive zinc and other nutrients that are important for a healthy prostate. If you have damage to your liver, your hormones are more likely to be out of balance because your liver helps get rid of extra hormones. Sugar, booze, vegetable oils, and non-organic foods that are sprayed with pesticides can all hurt your liver, which can lead to hormonal imbalances and possibly a bigger prostate. Lastly, if you already have a big prostate, dairy foods may make it worse because they contain prolactin, a growth hormone that could be making the problem worse. How to get the prostate to get smaller? Let's look at 6 things you can do to help your prostate shrink by balancing your hormone and reducing inflammation. How to get the prostate to get smaller? 1. Start eating a salad with organic cruciferous veggies like radish, broccoli, broccoli, arugula, kale, collard greens, or cabbage every day. These are full of phytonutrients which help your liver get rid of extra hormones and make more vitamins that protect and heal your prostate. 2. Start eating a small number of pumpkin seeds every day because these are some of the best foods you can eat to fight BPH. Zinc, phytosterols, and vitamin E all work together to shrink the size of the prostate. 3. Get rid of all vegetable oils that cause inflammation, such as margarine, soy, canola, cottonseed, and corn oil, and start cooking with raw coconut oil or extra virgin olive oil. You should also stay away from milk and cheese because they can make a swollen prostate worse. 4. Start doing interval exercises with a high level of intensity. Just 10 minutes of HIIT twice a week can make a big difference in enhance testosterone levels and help lower other hormones that build muscle like DHT, estrogen, and insulin. Exercise also helps get rid of extra sugar in the blood, which could be making the prostate swell. 5. Try to get sugar, bread, cereals, cakes, and sweets out of your diet and replace them with whole foods like tomatoes, organic grass-fed beef, shellfish, wild salmon, and avocados. All of these foods have things in them that helps keep the prostate and seminal fluid healthy. 6. Finally, if you are overweight, around the middle, or drink booze every day, you may have a fatty liver that is causing hormonal changes and inflammation in the body. If this is the case, try intermittent fasting, where you eat all of your daily calories in a 4-hour window and don't eat for 20 hours. Fasting is one of the best ways to shrink a big prostate and get rid of extra fat in the liver. That's all we have for you today. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Let us know what you think in the comments section. If you're just starting to follow us, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll know when we post new videos. Thanks for watching and see you later!